What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing my brand new Plus LDE bike battery bag. This one is a fireproof, safe charging bag, explosion proof, LiPo battery bag, large capacity for storage, 19.3 by 4.3 by 7 inches, and it's a large bag that I used to put my battery of my CCGod 750 watts 15 ampere battery. You can buy this from Amazon. I got this only for $19, and you can get also the smaller than this one, which is 16 by 4.3 by 5 inches. This one is 19 inches from here to here, 19.3, and then from the side up it's 7.3. This is 4.3, and this is 7 inches. So as you see, it has a reflectorized that they put a harness on this, like a reflectorized, that it reminds you, and it reminds you that it reflects at night. And there's a Velcro and a zipper. So I removed the Velcro, and this is the zipper. Right now I'm charging my battery for safety, and that's my battery, my 750 watts 15 ampere battery. I'm used to charge inside this, and this is my CCGod power supply. As you see, it's 100 to 120 volts, 3 ampere maximum, 50 to 60 hertz. Output voltage 54.6, 3 ampere. So whenever you charge your battery for safety, for safekeeping, I used to put it inside the bag while I'm charging it. I used to charge it, and that's my power supply. That's what I basically used to do. And then after I lock the zipper, I close this Velcro for safekeeping while I'm charging my battery. Why do you guys need to buy this type of bag? Do you know the potential dangers of LiPo battery? Once the battery is shorted, it will instantly generate the high temperature and spontaneously ignite, which brings danger to you and your family. And this bag is designed to minimize the risk. It minimizes the potential risk, though it can't withstand. It can withstand the heat and flames, and naturally generates by battery for a long time. But it will at least gives you time to react to spontaneous battery combustions. And the nice thing with this bag, it's a fireproof. It doesn't mean that it can be endless exposed to fire and resist spontaneous battery combustion. But this is designed, the product originally, to reduce the risk of fire and stop the spread of fire. It is recommended that this product to be stored in an open area with no flammable materials around to ensure the maximum safety. So when you guys charge your battery, make sure that it's in an open area, and make sure that this is far away from your couch, from your carpet, so on and so forth. And this fireproof bag, temperature resistance of this up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, explosion proof, and a 3-layer composite material. It is firm and reliable, and this is a waterproof silicone coating. It's a waterproof and protects the battery. So that's a good thing with this. And the unique reflective strip, this reflective strip design of the Plus D battery bag can make it easier for you to find it in the dark at night, because this one it glow during at night. In addition to storing the batteries, it can also be used to store the valuable things like mobile phones, cash, and various certificate and documents. And the LiPo battery and the battery. And the LiPo-proof battery bag is convenient way to safeguarding your LiPo battery during the charging, transit, storage, and the bag is intended to reduce the chances of damage in event of a LiPo fire. And purchasing Plus D battery bag does not mean it is absolutely safe. We do not, as much as possible, they do not mislead the customer, and these statements means that they cannot cover the consequences of the spontaneous battery combustion for you. So, for your safety, like what they address to people who are purchasing this type of LiPo bag, make sure that you guys charge your battery to an open space, not closer to your couch, carpet, and some other flammable things. Make sure it's an open space, and the temperature is at the room temperature, not as hot, not as cold. And this battery bag will help to store your battery in a cool, safe, in a cool, safe environment. That's the reason why I get this type of battery bag. So you will not get wrong purchasing this one. I got this only for $19. And I have one of this. I have one only electric bike that I use, and I basically put it here before I charge it, and I use my solar charger, this one, and it makes me feel safe whenever I charge this. So again, if you guys in the market of purchasing an e-bike bag or a LiPo bag, battery bag that is fireproof, that you can use it to your electric bike, or either to your cell phone or to any of your documents. This Plus D e-bike battery bag can stand with the 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for stopping by. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless. Again, this is a Plus D e-bike battery bag, fireproof, safe charging bag, explosion-proof, LiPo battery bag, large capacity storage, charging to 19.3 for 0.3 by 5 inches. So you will not get wrong on this one. This is only $19. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.